Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your CapCut profile photo. Updating your profile picture is a great way to personalize your account. So let's get started on how to change your CapCut profile photo. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Edit Profile option. Here you can see the Change Photo option. Tap on it. Find the photo that you want as a profile and tap on it. Finally, adjust the photo as needed. Then tap on the Confirm button to save the changes. And this is how you can change your CapCut profile photo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.